doing a walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This is among the most popular lines of boats that Boston Whaler produces. It's powered by a Mercury 90 horsepower 4-stroke motor. The boat has an inboard fuel tank, fish ride bait well, has plenty of rod holders. It's primarily used for exploring, going up rivers, close inland coastal work, a lot of fishing. The boat has options that you can put on it, such as a bimini top for shade. You can have a bow cushion if you like to sit out and read in the sun and just relax and drift along. We are located at 627 Boston Post Road, MarineMax. My name is Fred Aberle. Our phone number is 860-399-5581. You can ask for myself or any of our knowledgeable sales consultants that are here to help you. Again, we are MarineMax. This is a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Thanks for watching.